We have here are party balloons, and they could be used for just about any occasions, and off they go. So we are with a set of balloons in multicolors. We're going to show you what this product is about. From the providers, GreatWhip, 20-liter helium balloon kit with latex balloons, ribbons, tank, everything that you need to blow up. We're going to unbox it, blow up the balloons, and show you what the product is about. Everything that's in the kit, we have 50 random color 9-inch balloons with the 20-liter tank and a nozzle kit to blow up with 164 or 50 meters of string. This is red. We have about 11 balloons. We have a light green, about 7, 6 of green, a pink and yellow, 5 of orange, 4 of a rose purplish color, 2 blue, light blue, deep purple, and black. Different balloons and sizes will float longer and shorter. The 9-inch balloons will float for around 5 full hours, while a 30-inch balloon can float for a number of days, 5 days the maximum. So we're going to set up the tank, blow all the balloons up, and we're going to cut the strings just about even and show you what they look like. We cut our cord. We have about 40, 50 lengths, about 6 feet per. These are instructions on how to empty the tank for recycling. These are instructions on how to set up your tank for one-time use only. We have a cap closure already on that we simply remove. The fill nozzle simply screws on, and you may secure it down with the open-end crescent wrench. Really hold the tank in place and open. With the balloon, place on over the nipple, hold securely, and rotate 9 inches. Pull away and secure a knot. Before closing the knot, slip the string through and then tie your knot. And then make another knot on the string. You've successfully blown up a balloon. To measure the balloon, it measures about 1 feet tall by 7 wide. So let's continue to blow up the balloons until we get all 50 blown up. And you're able to blow up and get replacements. Blow up to near the nipple area. Tie your knot, hold between your arm and create a knot and place over the tied end. And again, you got all your balloons made. We're going to continue on to blow up all the other balloons and see what they look like. As we have here, multicolor, random color balloons all tied up for your party needs. They could be placed around anywhere imaginable. They will last up to 5 hours on the 9-inch balloons, and the larger numbers up to a number of days. Check online for further details about the kits you are offered. These are latex balloons in different types of colors. I hope you enjoy your product of a helium balloon. Great for carnivals, parties, fairs, weddings, or just decorating the area and having a barbecue in the backyard or showing off a house, a baby shower, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.